Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to make header transparent Shopify Dawn theme. Alright, let's begin. First of all, open any type of preferred browser on your PC or laptop and search for shopify.com. After that, sign into your account and you will be redirected to the home page. Here, navigate to the left pane menu and click on Online Store. Now select Themes Embed from under it and all of the settings related to your store theme will be displayed. After that, click on the three dots icon beside Customize button and a list will open up. Inside it, select Edit Code and the website code editor will open up. On this web page, navigate to the search bar at top left corner and search for header. Now access the header.liquid tab and a bunch of codes will be displayed. If I go to the official Shopify community website, you can see that there are some steps mentioned to get the transparent header. The steps include getting to your online store, accessing the Themes tab, opening the header.liquid file in the code editor, and then pasting the mentioned piece of code. So just copy this code, get back to the code editor, and then paste it at the top. Once done, click on the Save button at top right corner, and you are good to go. So that's basically how you can make header transparent Shopify Dawn theme. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.